Hi folks, welcome back to my channel once again, and thank you guys for sending me the mail asking me to make a video how we can create a custom thumbnails for the YouTube channel. So let's get started. So let's open our browser, and today we will be using the website called Canva. So let's select that, and this Canva, remember, you have to register yourself. Once you register, you can log in automatically. So I've already registered myself, so they will not ask me to register once again. Okay, so this is where I used to work as a Canva, and this is a very helpful and very easy. You can easily create your own thumbnails, design your own logo, poster, flyers, presentations, and then you can go for the Instagram. You can sort of make a video, Facebook. There are also invitations, and there's so many more. So a lot of things you can create here very easily. So let's take an example how we can create. So particularly we will be doing for the YouTube thumbnails. So let's go to create a design here, create a design, and there are also many options down here. You can select as you wish to, but for us we will go to the YouTube thumbnails. Select this. The good thing about this is it will select the right pixel for you, which is 1080 by 720 pixel. So let's take one sample. Let's select here. Okay, so we will select one of this. If you don't want, you can just delete it off and discard it. Then the next thing is we can choose our own background. So select your own background accordingly if you wish to, or you want to mix have a mixed color. You can also select from here. So let's say we want a little bit like this, so you can slide to where exactly you want. So that is how okay, so let's put this background. Now the next is we have to upload our own photo pictures. So let's select an image. So I am taking this image, so let's select this image, and then we will place it to the left side here, and you can adjust the image accordingly. If it is too big, you can slide it back, or if it is too much this side, you can also slide it more. You can drag it. So place it correctly, and you can also move around the picture, remember. So this way or these directions, or maybe, so using our creativity we will also keep like this. So the next thing is we want a wording. So there are a lot of things here, sample they have given you. So you select one. So let's say we want this one, so bring it to the right. So let's keep here, and then let's say we will delete this, and we will call this double click, and then we will just call as let's say let us iPhones. Okay, let's make capital that, and this is too small, can just put it down. So okay, spellings. Okay, so it's up to you where you want to place. If you want to place it here, if you want to enlarge a little bit, just do that. So this is how we can modify, or we can create our own custom thumbnails. Next is we want to save it. So we want to save this. You go to this, download here. Also there are options here: PDF, standard, print. There is also video, animation, and also GIF. So we will select the JPG. And then the good thing about here is they choose the default pixel for you here, 1080 by 720 pixel. The quality is 80. That's good enough. So you can download this, and once you download, so here is the download, and then now you can go to your YouTube channel and use that as for your thumbnails. So I hope you learned something, guys, and see you in the next video.